Well, with mobile mechanic, it helps mechanics in the field create the work orders and do their time card. It's not to where they need to come to the shop to prepare or finish out the day. They can finish it in the field. They can sync it, send it in, and it's complete. Well, the mobile mechanic is mechanic based to where they can do and complete their time in the field or complete work orders in the field and create work orders in the field. So it's one less step that a manager would have to do and push out to the mechanic or communicate. They can do it electronically. They can do their own mechanic, their own work orders and complete the task. The manager can track the work orders, see the progress in the work order, and close out the work order when it's marked complete. It's a way of communicating without having to dial up and make phone calls.